everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I have bag number 2 to open with you guys. This is a shop Goodwill online bag. I won 2 auctions. Got them at a really good price. I got this bag for $24 and it's 5.55 pounds. 5 pounds 55 ounces, or however that goes. I don't know. Anyway, I went ahead and just cut the tape off up here. Oh man, the last bag was great. Let's hope this one is just as good. All right, first thing, I have bracelets. This is plastic, but you know what? I like it. I think it's pretty cool looking. I'll try to sell that. And here's a green one. I'll go ahead and tell you guys, if you see anything you're interested in, just drop me an email and we can discuss it. My email is findingmytiara@gmail.com. That one's pretty. I got more. This is a blue one. It's kind of multi-chrome. And here's a blue one. It's like a dark teal. That's a pretty color, isn't it? I've got more. There's more of them. If you like these. If you like them. Purple. Some of these bags are dirty. Right, this one has a card in it. Come on. Okay, this one is marked Gerald Miller. That looks like a G. Looks like a G to you. Gerald Miller. Friends Collection. Designed by Gerald C. Miller. Jewelry to wear, jewelry to share. That's a pretty color. This would look so pretty in the fall. So there's, I would assume, I could be wrong, but all these, or at least these two, it's probably from the same, or these 3. I bet these are 2 different sets. I bet. I might sell them as 2 different sets. Alright. Okay, so far so good. I found a watch. Look, it's got a snowflake on it. Geneva. With a snowflake. I don't like this band. I will probably just do something with the watch. It feels dirty. I don't know why everything's feeling dirty in this bag. For some reason. Oh, okay, these 2 are together. These go together. Oh, okay, I see. It's a 3-chain necklace. It says made in China on it. And it's not very heavy. I don't think I can sell that, but I'm not going to make any decisions right now. You need some shamrock earrings. These were $3 at the Walmart. Yeah, probably won't do anything with those. Here's tiny little hoops. One tiny little pearl. Yeah, I'm going to craft with those. This, look, it has a football on it. That's somebody's school colors. My high school colors were blue and gold, but this is more blue and yellow. These beads are glass. I don't know. I don't know. Look at this. I'm just going to go ahead and craft with this. This is as plastic as it can be. Oh, come on. Let me move all these little plastic bags I'm accumulating here. There we go. This is pretty. I'm learning to appreciate these little fine beaded necklaces. I think that is so pretty. I will sell that. Look at this bracelet. It's seen better days. I don't know if I might be able. Nah, the stretch is, yeah, the stretch is bad on this one. This will get crafted. I'm afraid. Feels like it's going to break at any moment. This is a bracelet. This is pretty now. This has got cat's eye beads that have little rhinestones. I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do with that. Another one of these. Oh my. Oh my my. Look at this. I actually like this. Look at the colors on this. No maker's mark. I think I can sell that. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Just gorgeous. Here's a serpentine chain, or a, maybe it's not, I don't know what length this is. It is not silver, and it feels very fluid. It's not going to kink on you. It's a really unusual feeling necklace. It's very nice. I don't know how to describe it. It feels like liquid metal going through your hand. Do you see how that just... It has a nice soft feel to it. Yeah. Wow, that's nice. I like this. This is so pretty. I'm going to polish it up a bit, but I don't want to polish it too much. Oh, but that is gorgeous. I will sell that. It's a weighty piece. So is this chain. I was shocked when I picked this up. I was expecting something lighter weight. This is a nice chain. You hear? That's a pretty chain. Right here's the clasp. No mark. Pretty. Alright, got some bracelets. These are all linked together, so I guess they've never been worn. Avenue. Well, that one came out. Huh. I like this one. There we go. And that's just a bangle. What's this card? Time and True. Is it Walmart? Walmart. It's pretty. Glass and genuine stone. Genuine stone accent. Huh? That can't be a real stone. It was on sale for $4.50. It is pretty. That can't be a real stone. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Oh. Solomon Patrick jewelry. Oh. Look at this. Druzy. I promise I'm not going to keep it. Oh, that is gorgeous. So I've got to look this up. Solomon Patrick. It feels like a suede cord. Huh. Let me just... wonder if that's got gold. Dipped in gold. Okay, you're getting researched. I'm putting you over here. Oh, this is cute. I can get it up. Let's see. Kind of stuck here. Here's a little ladybug pin. It's just a cute little ladybug. That's sweet. Sweet. Here's another one of, I got some more of these necklaces, bracelets, I mean. And they feel dirty. I don't know what is on these. But there's a red one. And here's an orange one. Throw them around. There we go. Pretty. Ah, stone's missing. These are going in my craft pile. These are awful lightweight. I don't think these are real. I don't. I gotta research that more. Ooh, look at the shoe pin. Anybody like shoes? It's marked. What's it marked with? It looks like IFF. I don't know what that is. I will research that. And here is some peace sign bracelet. It is not turquoise. Yeah. What have we got here? This is unusual. This looks like it's wood or some sort of a seed. That's pretty. It's very lightweight metal. What have we got here? Oh, this is like something like my mom had. I don't think it's nickel silver. Nickel silver, so I'm not 100% sure what that means. That stone feels dirty. See if I can just kind of wipe it off. It's plastic. That's plastic. I'm gonna craft with that. Look at this. I might be able to sell this. These are plastic. Even all this is plastic. But it is a statement, is it not? Woo. Yep. I might be able to do something with that. Look at this. Here's another one. These are plastic. It needs cleaned up. It's dirty. See? It's got dirt and crud on it. Let's see what I can do with that. Oh, here's another one of these bracelets. I have a ton of these. They all say made in China. These do. The other one had somebody's name on it though. Huh. Here's a cuff bracelet. Can I open it? How do I open this? Oh. There. Ed Force. Stainless steel. I'm not familiar with that, but I will research it. And then this is a little set of bracelets. Stretchy bracelets. That might actually be real turquoise chips. But it's not real pearls. It's fake pearls. Okay. Look at this frog pin. This is so cute, like a little tie tack. It's not like it is, or you can use it as a pin. I can't get it open. There's a maker's mark in there. It's Avon. But that is, it's like you can wear it like a little scatter pin. That is so cute. Look at him. He is so cute. I'm going to open one more thing and then we will end this video and continue next week. These are actually pretty. Look at these bracelets. I like these. These are very nice. Very pretty. Okay, I'm going to stop here and we will open the other half next week because just don't like for these videos to go really long. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.